don't know where to turn. Get the money you deserve. Get the help you need from Jan Dill's attorney at law. She won't take no for an answer.
Hi, my name is Lauren and I'm the operations manager here at Attorney Jan Dill's office. And this short video is on keeping us in the loop. So it's really important that you contact your case managers anytime you have any types of changes. A few examples of those: if you move, we'll need to know your new address. Another one is a telephone number. Many times we need to get in contact with you. There are deadlines to a lot of things we need to file, so knowing exactly where you are is really important. Another thing that's very helpful to our firm is if you give us another contact. So if we can't get a hold of you, or maybe you're in the hospital or just out of town, we can get a hold of that person who can then relay the message for us. Medical updates are another important thing that you need to keep us in the loop about. Unfortunately, there's no way for us to tell when you've gone to the doctor, and though we will reach out to you regularly, it's important that you also inform us if you've ever been to the emergency room or had a regular doctor's visit. This is also especially true when you have a hearing scheduled. There's a lot of last-minute crunch time things that we need to do, so knowing exactly where you are and how to get a hold of you is really important, especially so we can get all of those last-minute medical updates for your claim. So follow these simple steps: emailing us, calling us, or stopping in one of our 6 branch offices, so we can do everything we can for you to increase the likelihood to come out successful on your claim. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.
Jan Dill's attorney at law.